I want to save my soul.
Okay, now most of us know that we can customize and increase the quick panel grid size so that more toggles can be placed here for easier access. This is possible through the QuickStart module on GoodLock application. However, after the One UI 5.0 update, some of you did say that you are not able to increase the grid size using this module, which did not work on my phone as well. Let me show you what exactly was happening. This is the Note 20 Ultra, which is currently on One UI 5.0. Let's open GoodLock and tap on QuickStart. Here we have Show Quick Button Grid. This is the toggle which adds a button grid on the quick panel settings menu. Let me show you that. Let me open quick panel. I will just tap on this three dot button. Now you see we have got button grid option right here at the bottom. This has appeared after enabling that toggle on QuickStart module. Now let me just tap on button grid. As you see, we have got wide and narrow options. Here I have already set it on narrow, and yet we have got 5:3 grid size here. That is the maximum I am able to set on One UI 5.0 using this button grid option. Actually, this wasn't the case on One UI 4.1 or 4.0. We were able to add more toggles. We were able to increase the grid size here to 6:3, which did not work after updating the phone to One UI 5.0. Now let's look at this Galaxy S22 Ultra. This phone recently got a security patch level for November 2022 with a 800 MB of update size. And right after this update, I'm able to use 6:3 grid on the quick panel. That is just perfect. Now let me open GoodLock. I'll tap on QuickStart. As you can see, I have enabled Show Quick Button Grid here. Now I'll open Quick Panel and tap on this three dots menu. I'll tap on Button Grid. As you see, the customization bar is completely different here. Of course, this is to do with this module particularly. But after the update, we are able to increase or decrease the number of toggles as well as space between these toggles using this bar. As you see, it's set to narrow. I can not only increase or decrease the number of toggles, I'm even able to change the space between these toggles. That's fantastic, isn't it? Now, sometimes even after getting these updates, this feature may not work. So what you need to do is you need to go to Settings, search for Screen Zoom. Tap on Screen Zoom. Now here you'll have to bring down the zoom to the minimum. Sometimes you may have to do this to make the screen grid size work on the quick panel. So be wary of that. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. If this is still not working on your device, wait for the November security patch or maybe an update for the QuickStart module. That's it. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Save my soul.